Hello, this is Jonathan here again today. Today we're working with Packet Tracer again on implementing an IP addressing scheme. So our objectives are to subnet an address space based on the host requirements, assign host addresses to devices, configure devices with IP addressing, and verify the addressing configuration. The background preparation is in this activity you will subnet the private address space 192.168.1.0/24 to provide enough host addresses for the two LANs. Local address network. Attached to the router, you will then assign valid host addresses to the appropriate devices and interfaces, and finally you will receive the test connectivity to verify your IP implementation. So first off, we're going to go to host A. Well, it usually takes you right here, and then you'll go to the desktop tab on the top, and you'll click IP configuration. You'll keep it at static, and for the IP address, you're going to type in, the IP address, you're going to type in 192.168.1.62. And for subnet mask, you take off, it's 255.255.255.192. Default gateway. And for the default gateway, it's 192.168.1.1. And that's all you have for that. So then we exit out of this and see. I'm gonna go back into it to make sure it kept it. Okay, it did keep it. Now we gotta go to the router, or host B. Click on IP configuration, and for the IP address, we're gonna go 192.168.1. Too many dots. Dot 126. And the subnet mask is .192 again, like last time. So we'll put that there. Default gateway is 192.168.1.65. And that's DNS server. You don't worry about that. So we'll exit out of this. We'll go back into host B to make sure it kept it. Okay, it did keep it. Now we're gonna go to customer router 1841, and we're gonna click on under the interface, we're gonna click fast Ethernet 0-0, and for this, for the IP address, we're gonna type in 192. Whoops, 192.126. Excuse me. 168.1.1. And the subnet mask 255.255.255.192. 192. Okay, and then we gotta go also in here to fast Ethernet 0-1. We're gonna go 192.168.1.65, and this is gonna be 255.255.255.192. Okay, now that we got these in, we're gonna go up here and click turn on for this. Go back to this one on fast Ethernet 00 and turn it on. And that's all for this. Alright, and now we have our network working with host A and host B, LAN A, LAN B, customer router to the ISP router to the ISP switch to the PC workstation and the ISP server. So this is just a diagram of two hosts and two LANs connecting through a router to another router, which is the ISP router to the ISP switch, which powers the server and another workstation. It should be set up now. Notice that you can't int. It won't let me go into any of these interfaces. Only I can change the customer router. I can change host A. I can change host B. I can't change anything else. I can't change anything but those few things. See? It won't let you change nothing else but those three things. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to check our status. It says completion 100% down here in the bottom right corner. Click check results. It says, congratulations on completing this activity. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for your time.